Hey everyone, for this week's Team Lead Tech Tip, we're going to look at the new feature to record audio only for a Teams meeting. So I've created a sample meeting and we're just going to quickly join it. And then to record the meeting, we're going to go to the More option in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on Record and Transcribe, and then select Start Recording, which is the same as you're used to seeing. When the box pops up to verify the spoken language, you'll see an additional drop-down for more options. This is where you can choose what to record, video and audio or audio only. So I'm going to select that and click Confirm. Then I'm just going to let it run for a little bit so that we have something to record. Okay, flash forward and we're gonna go back to the More Options menu at the top of the screen and we're gonna stop the recording. When you leave the meeting, it can take Teams a little bit of time to process the file depending on how long the recording was. But then you can go to the chat associated with the meeting and you'll see this View Recap box that was inserted by the system. And the recording will be there. Now, the thing that's interesting to me is that it still shows up like a video file. So if somebody clicks on it to watch it, it says audio only, and then it will only show the details of the meeting. To be honest, when I first read about this feature, I fully expected that it would be an audio file, which is an MP3. Just like a video recording for a standard Teams meeting, the file is saved to a recordings folder in the OneDrive of the person who created the meeting. So in this example, it's in my OneDrive.